You must have experienced that after creating several keyframes, you want to move keyframes to change the speed and time of the animation you created. In this case, it makes no sense to move each keyframe separately. As you can see, in this project I have created 4 keyframes for the first layer. The last keyframe is placed at the 5 seconds and 30 frames. Now, I want to move all keyframes together in the same ratio. To do this, first I select all keyframes. Then, from the layer menu, select time stretch. Now, in the Open the dialog box and in the stretch factor section, type the amount by which you want the frames to be stretched. For example, if I choose 200, the keyframes will be stretched twice as much. In other words, the distance between keyframes will be doubled. You can see that the last keyframe is now at 11 seconds and also the subject's speed decreased. Now, if I enter 50 for stretch factor, everything is reversed. The distance between keyframes is half, and because the keyframes are close together, the speed of subject increases. An easier way to do this is to select all keyframes and then hold down Alt key and click on the last keyframe and drag to the right or left. Now I want to tell you a pro tip. This time I will place a CTI on the middle keyframe. Then I go to the time stretch window and after setting the stretch factor, navigate to the bottom of the window. There are 3 options in the Hold in Place section. So far we have been using the first option by default. By this time I will enable the current frame option. Now you can see that the chains on the keyframes were done well, but the middle keyframe remained in place in timeline. In fact, all keyframes in timeline have been moved except for the selected keyframe.